Make a great choice today with the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.